Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily modify all the color settings. At first, click on this button at the bottom of your screen to enter the circle menu and go right to the settings. Now click on the gear icon again and here go to picture and advanced settings. The second option we can see is color. Let's click on color and the first option we have is color depth. Let's click on that and we can modify our color depth as you can see using the button up and down. Here we have the tint and we can increase the tint as you can see up to G50 and down to G-50. Let's set it to 0. And here we have the color gamut. Let's click on it. And here we have the color detect, auto detect or native. Apart from that, in color we have the fine tune. And here we have the color adjustment. We can click on it and we have medium, low, high or user selection. And we can just set color, adjust saturation, adjust tint, adjust luminance. And here we have the white balance. Here we have the white balance, color temperature, method point, red, green, blue. And we can modify our white balance here. Let's go back. And this is all the color settings. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.